What would a world without FIB look like? Without FIB, we would not have phones, cars, nor gaming consoles. FIB, or focused ion beam, is crucial to make these devices possible, because all of these devices contain chips. Chips are the brains of all electronic devices. Chips contain millions of tiny electronic components that perform computational tasks. A crucial step in the design of chips is circuit edit. When chips are first tested, the circuits are imperfect and require precise corrections, which are performed by FIB. But what is FIB, and how can it fix a tiny circuit? FIB works by producing a beam of particles, then focusing them to a tiny spot, sometimes as small as a few atoms width. To start, ions are produced from a source, for example, a needle coated with a liquid. The diverging beam of ions passes through a lens, in which an electric field focuses the ions to a tiny spot. This sharp beam of particles can produce precise edits on a circuit. FIB milling separates components which are incorrectly connected. FIB can also deposit material to make new connections. What does a FIB look like in action?